all the boxes are gone. You know what that means? I am out of parts to install on the Supra. I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but I am so happy that I don't have anything else to install in this car. It's been a long road, you guys, but that's it. I don't have anything else to do. My hair's crazy, huh? Just a quick story. I'm always with my quick stories for you guys. Hereditary, I am probably bound to lose my hair at some point. My dad's bald, my brother's losing his hair too, so it's just a matter of time before I lose my hair. So I'm gonna enjoy it while I still have it. But anyways, so first things, I finished up the interior. Let's bring you guys inside and you guys can see everything that's done. As you guys can see, got this door, the speaker covers on. I got the display screen here. I mean, it's all done. I really don't have anything else to do in here. I can't believe the car is finished. It was about 1.5 years, almost every single day. I want you guys to see something pretty awesome. Check this out. Oh snap. There it is. That is it. And that's it, you guys. So I guess I'll run you guys real quick through it. For example, like the line lock, it's right here. You hit the brakes, hold it all the way down, you hold this button, let go of the brake pedal. As long as you're holding that button, the front brakes are going to be completely locked and you'll be able to do a burnout like super easily, which we'll do later once I break in the clutch. I guess I'll show you guys under the engine bay just a few things that I had to do. So as far as what happened here, finished up the cooling plate. That's the plate that I made by myself. For those who haven't seen the video, you can go back into my playlist of Wife Super Build and you'll see that I built that. I got the boost controller installed, got all the lines ran. I had to make a new drain line for the turbo because the other one was too small. Got the line lock installed with the new brake lines. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, you guys. I really don't have anything else to do to this car but drive it. So the only thing that we have to do, these guys. So, and you know, the reason I'm making this video is just to kind of keep you guys updated. I mean, I'm not the type of person who's gonna have, you know, thousands of followers and then ghost you guys and not give you guys an update on what's going on. So, but I mean, that's pretty much it. I have to drive it, I have to put miles into it, and make sure that the clutch and the transmission get broken in. Well, once that's done, I'm gonna put about 300-400 miles into it. Once that's done, I'm gonna switch I'm gonna change the transmission oil to put some Tremec oil in there, and take it to go get it tuned. But before I go get it tuned, I do have to install the new fuel setup, which is like a completely new fuel system. But that's kind of like a big deal. It's not like your average fuel system, so I'll save that for another video. It's actually pretty exciting what we ended up going with. I didn't think it was gonna happen, but but that's pretty much it. The fuel system's the only thing I have left to install, and that's only because we want to max out this turbo. We want to see what the max horsepower is on it, and let's just say that fuel system is more than enough for 1,300 horsepower. So this is just the beginning. But thank you guys so much for all that stuck around for the entire build. I know I started this in November of 2019, if I remember correctly. Well, I got the car in November 2019, and I think I started the build videos around January, sometime like that. I don't know, but those who watched everything, thank you. But I don't think I'm gonna have any more build videos. More than anything, it's probably just gonna be me messing around with the car, doing fun things. I do have some plans as far as driving videos for this car, and you know, getting like people's reactions and stuff like that. So I'll bring you guys along for that, because I mean, just a few days ago I made the big mistake of not carrying my camera, and I went to go get some food for me and my family, and I had a cop follow me. And honestly, I was like, oh shit, I'm gonna get pulled over. The car's pretty much on slicks and straight pipe, and he's behind me, he can see everything. And I was like, man, that's it, I'm gonna get a ticket for this. But no, he actually got behind me, he got on his speaker, and he told me, dude, you have a badass Supra. And honestly, I was like, oh shit. I was so happy. I thought I was gonna get a ticket. But I mean, things like that I would love to catch on camera, so maybe I'll bring you guys along whenever I take the car out for a cruise. But yeah, so that's it, you guys. I guess next is the return of my Supra. I got some big news coming very, very soon. I know I've been saying that, but yeah. And for those who stuck around to the end, I know my Supra's hibernating, but it is fixing to come back to life. So I'll end the video with this picture for what's to come with my car. Later. Correction, you guys, I found something I forgot to install. Wiper blades. That's it.